In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Coinbase Limit 2025. Before we begin, a quick note on what limits are and why they matter. Coinbase sets limits for things like buying, selling, depositing cash, withdrawing funds, and sending crypto. These limits help keep your account secure and are based on factors like your verification level, payment methods, region, and account history. Knowing where to find them prevents failed transactions and helps you plan ahead. Start by opening your Coinbase app on your phone. Make sure you're using the official app and that it's updated to the latest version so the menus match what you see here. A stable internet connection also helps the app load your account details quickly. Next, log into your account. Use your usual credentials, and if you're prompted for two-factor authentication or a verification code, complete that as normal. If you have biometrics enabled, you can use Face ID or your fingerprint for a faster and more secure sign-in. As a reminder, never share your login codes and avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi when you're reviewing account limits or balances. Once you're in, open the menu bar. Depending on the app version, this may appear as three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon, or it might be your profile icon in the top corner. On some layouts, you'll find it in the bottom navigation under your account picture. Tap that to reveal your account options. From the menu, tap Limits. This is the section that summarizes your current allowances. Here, you'll typically see categories such as buy and deposit limits, cash withdrawal limits, and crypto send limits. Each item usually shows two key pieces of information: your total limit for a specific period and how much of that limit you have remaining. The time window can be daily, weekly, or rolling over a set number of days, depending on the activity. It's normal for different payment methods, like a bank account versus a card, to have different limits, and the app will show them separately if applicable. If something looks lower than expected, it may be because you recently completed a large transaction or because your verification level hasn't unlocked higher tiers yet. Limits can also vary by country and may change over time. If the limits option doesn't appear, use the in-app search for limits, update the app, or check the help section for your region's availability. That's all you need to find your Coinbase limits. Now you can quickly confirm what you're allowed to buy, sell, send, or withdraw, and plan your next move with confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.